Let's look how to create Figma account. Actually, it's pretty easy. You just go to figma.com and as you see, there is a big sign up button over here. I click it and I see some options. I can either use Google account or I can use my email. It's obviously that if you choose to sign up with Google account, your Figma account will be connected to your Google account with your email that you use in your Google account. The other way is to use email. Okay, I will use this temporary email service and I will create Figma account with this email. Okay, I paste this email and I set some random password. Okay, longer than 7 characters. Okay, my name Nikita. What kind of work do? I do marketing. I don't want to join Figma mailing list, but if you are new to Figma, probably you can subscribe to it. Okay, so I have to verify my account. I go here and see the email from Figma that says verify email. Okay, click it and we're here. I have to create my first team. For example, I name it Nikita's for example, I name it Nikita's Squad. Okay, and now Figma shows me this invitation to invite other collaborators. This is made for you to create a team from scratch. And actually, if you invite too many people, you will have to create a paid account. So actually, currently, we will skip this step. And I will start with a free account. I set start account and Figma asks if I want to use some templates or start a blank file. Okay, I will use some template. As you see, there are some of them. I have some blank presets. Anyway, I will create a file now. So I will just choose this one, and as you see, my file is opened. So actually right now I have Figma account, I can use it. I have some files over here. So this is pretty simple. I hope you will create it without any problems.